The snake is very dangerous. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. No, 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 no. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Hello. Welcome back to our channel. Selena and Tommy. Today we're gonna read the book Rainforest. Rainforest animals. Look at this. What do you see? I see a monkey. Monkey. Can you wave your arms like a monkey? Wave your arms, wave your arms, wave your arms. Okay, good job. So, let's open the book and see what animals live in the rainforest. Okay? Open. You do or mommy do? I do.
I do.
Ooh, I see the cat. The cat. How does a cat say?
Meow.
Okay. Turn the page. Oh, can you show me the cat eyes? The cat eye. No, don't do that. Can you show me the cat eyes? Here? No. Don't do that. Wait, the cat eyes. Turn the page. Just one page, please. Ooh, the monkey. The monkey. Can you wave your arm like a monkey? Wave your arms. Wave your arms. Yeah, great. You're so cute, honey. And the frog. The monkey. And this one is the frog. Frog. Okay, you see frog. The frog say oh. And I see the parrot. The parrot looks beautiful. Ooh, don't do that. The parrot don't like it. No, honey. Don't do that. The parrot don't like it. Say, repeat after me. Parrot. Say, parrot. The parrot is very beautiful, huh? Ooh, and the scary snake. No. The snake is very dangerous. Don't touch it. No. Don't touch it. Say, repeat after me. The snake. Very long. Oh, I see a purple butterfly. Can you make a butterfly like this? Butterfly. Yeah. Butterfly. Can you do that? Do like this. Okay. Butterfly. Ooh. Very good. Yeah, butterfly. You do. Very good, baby. And this is the beetle. You say beetle. Oh, hello, beetle. Hello. No. You say hello, beetle. No, stop that. The beetle don't like it. The beetle don't like it. Don't kiss him. The beetle don't like it. Oh, you say hello, beetle. Hello. Oh, how many legs do you have? How many legs do you have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, you have 6 legs. And the beetle has 6 legs. 1, 2. Good, baby. And can you turn the page, please? Turn the page. Ooh, and I see the rainforest. Tummy. Yeah, can you tell mommy what animals live in the rainforest? No, don't do that. Now, say the parrot. One finger, turn. One finger, turn. Okay, use your finger and point the rainforest animals, huh? Yeah, okay. Beetle, frog, cat, butterfly, parrot, monkey. Parrot. Can you show me the monkey? No, don't kiss him. monkey. No, don't kiss him. Okay, and say bye bye rainforest animal. Bye.
Bye.